I want you to ask yourself why you feel a certain way. So if you feel incredible, ask yourself, why do I feel incredible? Oh, I might feel incredible because I was able to charge what I want to charge, and I was able to have an incredible shoot, and I was able to get a client out of it. I feel incredible. Awesome. So if you feel great, write down, literally write down what made you feel great, so you know what to do more of. It's pretty simple. You just got to systemize it, okay? At the same time, if you feel defeated, what made you feel defeated? What made you go, oh man, I suck. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this. Did you have a bad shoot? Now, what was it about that shoot that was so horrible? And what did you do during that shoot that was so terrible? Write that down, so you know what not to do anymore. So you know what you need to attack and eliminate. Write it down. If you feel incredible, write it down. If you feel defeated, if you feel like giving up, what was it that made you feel that way? Why do you feel that way? What did you not listen to before? Did you not listen to your instincts? Did you not listen to advice? Did you not listen to your team? What was it? Let's write it down. Because what you're going to realize is there's going to be a pattern of things that make you feel incredible, and there's going to be a pattern of things that make you feel a certain way and make you want to give up. Once you recognize the pattern, now you know what to stop, or now you know what to do more of. All right? But you're not going to give up. You keep holding your camera, but you keep going for it, and you keep working hard. And yeah, I want to give up oftentimes. I've been wanting to give up for the past 10 years, but I don't. I give myself rest. I'll put a comma, but I won't put a period. And you do the same thing too, okay? So yeah, you should feel like you want to give up sometimes. You're putting your heart and your soul into it. That's all right. You're not a loser if you think that way. But let's figure it out so that you feel that way a lot less, and you feel incredible a lot more.